What's good, everybody? It's Koding with Kareem, and today we're gonna go over arrays. Alright, to explain the concept of arrays, I'm gonna give you a little story, right? So, let's say we have a kid named Cody, right? Cody. Now, Cody, he player. You know what I'm saying? He's a kid around school. He got all his work done. Everybody want to work with him. And his major computer science too. Like, he's a top coder. So since Cody, he got everybody coming up to him. Everybody's asking, hey Cody, can I give you my number so we can do work together? So Cody got 5 people, right? Five people that came up to him and say, hey Cody, here's my number. Can you help me on my work, or can we do work together? So we got Sam, Bob, Tyler, we'll say Noah, and then we say Jaron, right? So he got all these numbers, right? And all these people coming up to him asking to do schoolwork. So we'll say Sam number, we'll say it's 336. Bob's number is 919. Tyler's number is 256. Noah's number is 859. And then Jaron's number is 910. So Cody got all these numbers. He like, man, I can't remember all of these. I wish they were just all in one place. So this is where array comes in, right? So Cody's like, okay, I'm gonna make a program to sort all my numbers, to sort all my friends and their phone numbers, right? So he makes an array. He says phone numbers, right? That's his array. And within the array, he got 5 numbers. And he says, okay, Sam is gonna be index 1, or index 0, my bad. Bob is gonna be index 1. Tyler's gonna be index 2. Noah gonna be index 3. And then Jaron's gonna be index 4. And then within, he makes an array. When you see the index 0, the value is 336. Index 1, 191, index 2, 256, index 3, 859, and then index 4, 910. So pretty much, arrays pretty much just to hold data, hold values, a list of ints, a list of doubles, a list of booleans, all types of data values. So we just told you the concept right now. Now we're gonna head over and actually code. Now I got my IDE pulled up, Eclipse, and we're about to code in Java, right? So now, looking at the picture, what we gotta do is declare arrays for phone numbers, and this is the syntax to declare an array. So first, what you wanna do, you wanna type in the value, or the data type value of the array. So in this case, it's gonna be int. So we got int, then the array symbol. Then we're gonna name it phone numbers, right? Equals new int. Then the size of the array, we said the size is gonna be 5, so we put the number 5, this semicolon. So phone numbers is now our array, right? So we're gonna set each value of the array to according to the picture, right? So like we said, the index, we got index 0 is Sam's number, 1 is Bob, 2 is Tyler, 3 is Noah, and 4 is Jaron. So the first one, we'll do what you call it, index 0 equals Sam's number, which is 336. And then we're just gonna do the same for all of them, like that. here now, we got all the values in the array set to a phone number, or all the index in the array set to a value of the phone numbers, right? So let's say Cody wants to print out one of the, one of his friend's phone numbers. Let's say Jaron, right? He looks on his thing, he says, okay, I know Jaron's index 4. So I'm gonna type in phone numbers, my array. Now I'm gonna call for an index 4, or I'm gonna print out index 4. Then when you run this, you get his number, 919. So make it a little bit more better. You say Jaron's number is 919 or 910, right? So if he wants to call out Sam, he'll change this to 0, put Sam right here. Then when you run it, it'd be like Sam number is 336. That's what is according to the picture, right? So what if we want all the numbers printed at the same time? If we want all the numbers printed at the same time, we have to make a loop, right? So right here, we'll say, we'll make a for loop, right? So we say for int I equals 0, semicolon, I, the phone numbers dot length. Now the reason why we did dot length is because in every situation, or not in every situation, you will know the array's length. You might have an unknown length, or you have a difficult length, so it's better just to do phone number length than the actual 5. Once you print out phone number dot length, it will print out 5 because the length of the array is 5, but we're just iterating through the array depending on the phone number's length, which is just writing better code in general. So after we create the for loop, we're gonna say system.outprint ln phone numbers I. So looking at this right now, we see system.outprint phone numbers I. So every time the I is getting iterated, so after one time it goes through the loop, I turns into 2, or I turns into 1, because it starts at 0, then it goes to 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. It's printing out the values. So we run this, we're gonna get all the numbers in the order. So that's just a quick way to print out arrays. All right, now Cody got another problem. Let's say Cody comes up and he like, well, I can't remember everybody's numbers to their names. Oh, I keep forgetting Sam's number. I keep forgetting Jaron's number. How am I gonna make a program that's gonna let me remember everybody's number to which whose? So in order to fix that problem for Cody, we gotta make 2 arrays, right? So the first array we got, so we're gonna delete the for loop, and we're gonna keep this array, the numbers array, because that's important. But now we're gonna make a string array, right? So we got a string, and we'll say names. We're gonna name it name equals new string 5. Semicolon, right? So now we're about to make an array filled with strings. So remember, what's bringing Sam and his number together is the index. So if we want to have it where the Sam is correlate to 336, they have to have the same index, right? So we're gonna type in names index 0 equals quotation marks Sam. And like what I did for the other one, we're gonna do it again, same for all the values. So now we got two arrays. We got one array that has all the phone numbers, and we have all the arrays that has all the names of it, right? So now what we're going to do, we're going to print out of a statement, like, you know how we print out all the values on the number, but this time we're going to print out saying Sam number is 336, Bob number is 919. So in order to do that, we have to do the for loop again, right? So we got for int I equals 0. Like I had said in the other case, right, we want to do the array name dot length. So in this case, since we did the phone numbers dot length last time, we're gonna do names dot length this time. Names dot length. Right, so now we're gonna say system dot out print ln. We got names I plus is, we'll say Sam's phone number is plus phone numbers I semicolon. So now when we run this, it's going to say, for example, Sam phone number is 336. So looking at the console now, we got Sam phone number 336, Bob number is 919, Tyler number is 856, and over like etc. Right? So this is just writing better code. This is, you see how we have one print statement here, where if it was the other case, we would have to have 5 different print statements. Like, so it's just writing better code, cleaner code, and that's what pretty much a plan of an array. When you have a list of values, the best way to do is put in an array, just so you can have all your values in one basket in a sense. That will be the end of my video. Thank you for tapping in, watching it, and let me know if you like it.